Hey friends, if you wish to fix page fault in non-paged area blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. First of all, you can run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and go to Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last one is to update the drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab. Click on advanced options, select optional updates and install all the updates here. Return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.